That's Wednesday morning, and I've awoken to heavy rain falling on the tent. So I saw it was forecast for today, but it was likely to be raining all day. So I'm not going to go out in this. I'll just get very, very, very wet, and it'll be difficult to get dry again. So I'm likely just to spend the day here. I think I'm warm, I'm dry, it's quite cosy in the tent. I'll just keep a weather eye and ear on the rain.
I'm after the water, I used to 4 o'clock, so by 4 o'clock it'll start raining like it's always the way, isn't it?
That was brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Really enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Cheers. So I walked here to Aberfeldy, a bit like a drowned rat, but I suppose the good thing is knowing that the weather was going to improve again. Looking at the weather forecast, it looks like today is the chucking it down day, and then it's going to be a bit drizzly tomorrow, and then cloudy, and then eventually a bit sunny. So what I've done is I sat in a cafe called The Tay, and had a really lovely bacon and leek quiche and a cup of coffee. Got some new throwaway glasses because I broke the arm off the glasses that I have. And I got my journal now, just sitting down with my journal to write up how things are going. What a difference it makes not having a dry home to go to. Every place potentially is a little dry haven to sit in. So just now I'm in a bar having a cup of coffee. Was able to use their facilities, which was very useful. They're very welcoming. They took my temperature and asked for my name and my phone number for tracking and tracing, which is just the times we live in. So far so good. And I'm down by the river now, the River Tay, round about where some big white water dinghies embark. 4 of them went past a wee while ago. It is so beautiful here, and I kind of feel I'm getting to know Scotland again, or rather the Highlands again, and falling in love with this neck of the woods once again. It's not just the nature, which is stunning. I mean, now it's not raining, so it's calm, and there's a kind of glow beyond the clouds. It's quite warm. It's also the history and the culture. So aware of it up here. My brother Ian was telling me that he just read Rob Roy recently. Just such a good book, he said. And I went through Balwhidder thinking about Rob Roy McGregor, and then passed through Kenmore, and there was some curious Clan MacNab memorial there. And here at Aberfeldy, there's a Black Watch memorial built across the river from where the mustering area was. And I know it's all romantic, and actually the truth is that it was very bloody. But you know, it's very romantic. The whole place is just steeped in that Highland romanticism. And it's nice to be reminded of that, to be outside and to be a part of the outside. And tuning in to one particular location as well, because I've been pedalling. It's nice just to be tuned into one place, to be wandering around Aberfeldy and getting to know it in a way that I never really allow myself, because it's always by car that I'm travelling. So here's the river, just listen to its sounds once the car's passed. That's the thing. I mean, the reason I'm looking forward to getting into the Cairngorms is I'll finally leave the roads, because the Sustrans routes normally follow busy roads, so you're never far away from traffic. But anyway, here's the river. It's been a really nice day. It's overcast, must be around about 8 o'clock. I'm sitting by the banks of the River Tay. It's very, very noisy, and yet it seems like a really nice idea to try and develop this guitar idea I've been working on. So I'm just going to play what I have so far. Oops, someone's coming down to the field. So I'll just do that just now.